Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS for AI automation using step functions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the AWS Management Console. Sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the AWS Step Functions service in the Services menu. Click on Step Functions to open the service dashboard. From the dashboard, select Create State Machine. You will have the option to choose between a workflow or a visual workflow. Select the Amazon States Language option for more flexibility. In the text editor, define your state machine using JSON. Include the necessary states for your automation process, such as task states, choice states, and parallel states. Ensure that each state is properly defined with the necessary parameters. Once your state machine is defined, click Next. On the next screen, configure the execution settings. Provide a name for your state machine that reflects its purpose. Under Permissions, choose to create a new role for this state machine. This role should have permissions to access the required AWS services for your AI automation. You can customize the trust relationship for the role, ensuring AWS services can assume it. After configuring permissions, click Create State Machine. Once the state machine is created, navigate to the Execution tab. Here, you'll initiate a test execution to verify your setup. Click on Start Execution and provide the necessary input in JSON format. Review the input parameters to ensure they align with your state machine's expectations. Monitor the execution closely to check for any errors or failures. If the execution is successful, proceed to integrate the state machine with other AWS services as needed. You may wish to connect it with AWS Lambda for event-driven triggers. To authorize additional services, adjust the IAM policies associated with your role. Ensure all services involved have the required permissions to interact with step functions. Once your integrations are complete, perform additional tests to validate the entire workflow. Document any changes made during the setup for future reference. Finally, review best practices for AWS Step Functions to optimize performance and security. With this detailed guide, you are now equipped to authorize AWS for AI automation using step functions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.